say your wife calls and says, hey, the toilet's leaking, right? And you call the plumber, and the guy shows up and he's got a blowtorch, a sledgehammer, and a pipe wrench. Is that the right stuff to do the job? Probably not. You know, you're going to end up with a mess. Same thing here when doing the piston ring filing that Miles is going to show you about. So a lot of guys will use this. They'll put it in a vise and they'll hold it and they'll try to grind the rings and stuff. Well, there's, you know, it gets a gap set, but it doesn't really do it effectively. I mean, it's going to be crooked. It's dangerous for one. It's not, you know, that's not where this is supposed to go. So that's definitely a no-no. You don't want to use that. Gets the job done, but not the right way. Because some guys will take there and they'll sit there and they'll file back and forth the same way. You're not going to get it. You'll get a gap in the piston ring, but it's not the right way. We use total seal piston rings for the reason because over years we collect data. And we've been using these piston rings for 20 years or better. And the data shows us that Total Seal provides us the best quality seal, cylinder seal, blow-by seal, you know, oil control of any ring. So that's what we continue to use. We've sold many thousands of Total Seal rings. And we always use the, you know, if we can, the moly-coated top ring and a gapless second. Some pistons we're not able to get a moly-coated top ring. We've got to use what we've got to use. But, you know, the gapless part does help in turbocharged engines. And again, in our data collection, we've done this for years and years. This is what we think is the best. Now there are other options. Guys, you know, use 2 gapless top rings and, you know, keystone rings and whatever. That's their opinion. That's fine. This is our opinion, and this is why we do it this way. But we also use the tooling we use. Not this stuff, of course. We use a professional heavy-duty ring grinder that's built by Total Seal. So, you know, we've had different options or different models of this kind of a thing in the past. This one here has done a really nice job. It's durable. It's not cheap, but it does the job properly. You'll see Miles do the job here. It's a really precise fit, which, you know, some guys say you don't need it that close. Well, that's not how we do it here. So we want it to be as clean, as precise as we can. So again, using the right tooling to do the job properly.